back to another instructional video from Forest River, Salem and Wildwood Divisions. I'm Sean Fitzsimmons, Warranty Administrator for Wildwood, and today we're going to talk about your range hood. Your range hood has two switches. The first one is your light switch, and your second one is your 12-volt fan. These can be turned on and off to operate their respective functions. There is a filter on the bottom side of the range hood that should be cleaned seasonally for best results. Some range hood installations require a 3-amp inline fuse. If your range hood stops working properly and there are no tripped breakers or blown fuses in your converter, there may be an inline fuse that is blown. If you remove the mounting screws on the bottom of the range hood that attach to the cabinetry above, you can access the wires that connect to the 12-volt system and check the inline fuse.